Hello, bearded beagle. Welcome back to B&K for another boring video that isn't doing much bee stuff. Hopefully I will be later on. I think I'm going to be feeding some hives and looking to see when I'm going to be making splits. I think I'll be making splits early next week. But today is more of what the last video was about, and that's setting up new Outyards. This is a good one, I think. This is the south, so it's got beautiful southern sky viewing, which, as I've said before, this year is important in terms of overwintering. And then, as you can see, we've got some nice little windbreaks here in this little section. I'm going to put 4 hives to a pallet. So there's another pallet over there. And then there's 5 pallets over in another little alcove down this way. So this yard being as large as it is, and sort of unique in the sense that all of this land is not messed with in terms of agriculture. I think the landowner's talking about putting clover in here because I'm moving some bees out here, which he doesn't have to do, of course. But I think this is just generally unused land that he's excited about having it put to some use, and I'm excited about having the ability to put it to use. So, I don't know if you can see, right in there is my other little section with 5 pallets over there. So once again, 4 to a pallet, and I think we're going to set 40 in this yard. So hopefully it turns out really well. I like this area. This is northern Newaygo County. I grew up in this area. It's Manistee National Forest. Just beautiful. If you can escape the agriculture, it's generally just an incredibly beautiful and natural area that I feel lucky to live in. So, I have one other yard to drop some pallets off at. Maybe I'll turn the camera on over there for a quick minute, and then later on I'm gonna probably buy sugar, and then I'll either be going through those boxes some more for these Outyards, or be looking at some hives to figure out when I'm going to be splitting them. So either way, hopefully I'll turn the camera on a little bit at least. So I am off for a 20-minute trip to the next bee yard. See ya. Okay, so as you saw, after picking up sugar and dropping off those pallets to the Outyards, I did a little bit of oxalic acid vaporization. All of our spring mite counts have been taken, and all of the pertinent information jotted down into the old database. What I'm up to. Let me know what you guys are up to. I hope the early portion of the bee year is going well for y'all. Thanks for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.